Hey, welcome back again. So I'm at the Nissan Sentra again. I'm going to be doing the front strip. Alright, so right here's the front of the vehicle. I have to jack it up still. I'm going to do that off camera. Go ahead and get the tire off camera to get to the driver's passenger side, I mean. So I got two here, obviously you can see them. Then I just pop this panel off. And back here, there's another one. You can see it back there. There it is. And you get to that one off. To do the driver's side, it's a little more difficult. You can fight it, but the best thing to do is pop the wiper arm off and pull this panel back to get to the last bolt. You know, you can get in there if you really try, but it's just easier just to pop that off. So let me get this thing jacked up right quick. I'm going to go ahead and change this passenger side one on camera. I'll do the driver's side off camera. I bought preloads. I don't mess around with shocks where you have to pop the coils off, this and that. They're not much more expensive, and you save quite a bit of time and money. Well, time is money, so you save quite a bit doing preloads. So let me get this thing jacked up, get the tire off, and I'll show you what to do. All right, I'm back out at the Sentra. I got everything prepped, but let me go ahead and get this taken apart and I'll show you what I'm doing. So both of these I got in my hands are 22 mil. These are 22, and then I got the sway bar link up here figured out. All right, so Alright, so I brought you back top side right quick so I can get these top three bolts out. Alright, so I got the top bolts out. These bottom two are the only things holding it. They have a little bit of pressure on. I'm going to lower the suspension now so I can get these other bolts out and decompress this shock. Alright, so this bolt should pull out fairly easily. Shock has dropped out. Just got it disconnected. Get the new strut up in there. So I got this strut from Rock Auto. It was only like what, 60, 70 bucks. So it's a pretty good deal. These front bolts out, get them up top side and get them threaded in just a minute. Just getting that in to hold it so that I can go top side and work a little bit easier. Alright, now we just put it together in the reverse order that we took it apart, and it is basically done. This car ought to handle a whole lot better.